leftover meat, and a raw egg, stir it all together. It's great.
Oh.
Great.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you remember what do they call it?
Maybe noodles.
Amoy pa lang, talagang nakakatakam.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Angeles City, specifically Amigos Street Food.
So this is our second time to feature Amigos Street Food. Last time guys, pinatingin niya sa atin yung mga birria and yung mga variations ng mga Mexican food na yun. This time, we're gonna be here for their breakfast dishes.
Yes. Actually, papakita natin ngayon kung ano yung mga breakfast dishes na in-offer nila. And syempre, titikman na rin natin.
Yun guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ito yung table natin guys. And what do we have, brother?
So on our table, syempre, meron tayo dito yung mga breakfast burrito nila. Meron tayong pancake burrito. Yan. Tapos meron din tayong omelet. And yung mga drinks, syempre. Ayan.
I just realized, so isa pa lang tray, iba-iba yung flavors nila. They have 3 variants. I think these are sausage, then the other one's bacon, and then the other one's pork. Whoa.
Pancake tacos.
Pancake tacos.
Pancake tacos.
Yes.
Every mouthful is a different taste.
Wow.
That's nice.
I agree. So my friend Rick here says this one is phenomenal. Actually, yung wrapper niya, it's a little bit crispy. Not too crispy, no?
So syempre, as a pancake, meron din siyang kasamang honey. It's a mix of sweet and savory flavor.
Savory. I don't know what they call it, but it's a mix. Fried potatoes, egg, cheese, meron din bacon. I mean, these are the food na talagang you're gonna, eat all day, any time of the day. Ooh, look at that. Delicious.
So, ang kagandahan naman dito, you could pick their meat. So, you have beef birria, or bacon, pork, sausage, beef, or anything you want in the menu.
In the menu, it should be here, yeah.
Yes.
So this is build your own omelette.
Yes.
Whoa. Build your own.
Yes, yes.
There you go. Build your own.
Oh! Okay, so another, naman din, karang quesadilla. Yan, So, amoy pa lang, talagang nakakatakam na. Breakfast?
Yeah, meron din pala siyang dip.
Yeah. Tikman na natin with the dip.
So aside from the breakfast meal, available pa rin yung mga unang natikman natin dito, which is yung birria noodles nila. So if you go here, right after natikman yung mga breakfast meals nila, you gotta try this one. It's a must. No, it's a must. So yung birria noodles natin, slowly, long cooked beef, beans, other mga ibang pampalasa, and of course, meron siyang twist ng Asian. Noodles. That was our experience. Bro, what can you say about the dishes?
Actually, na-surprise ako ngayon since meron sila mga breakfast na ino-offer. And talagang fit na fit. Like yung kanilang pancake, sweet and savory taste.
Actually yun, nasabi mo nga yan, no? Ako gusto ko dito, it's a mix nga nung sinabi mo. So, may times na talagang super savory, may times na sweet, and then babalik ka na naman dun sa savory, and then babalik ka na. So, it's kumbaga, iniikutan mo talaga yung gano'n na taste na magugustuhan dito sa Amigos Street Food.
So, Amigos Street Food is located dito sa may Teodoro Street, Old Santa Maria 1, Angeles City. And they're open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You gotta go check out Amigos Street Food.
Alright, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until the next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys. Peace out.